Hi, everybody. The building construction course that you're embarking on, yeah, the textbook is there. One of the things that we have to look at in today's is how the objective is for me to provide you with information that you can understand when you're walking into a building that's under fire or inspection or collapse. My biggest thing is what I'm trying to do is get interaction from you all. And in discussion posts, that's basically where this comes together. And I like to see those be more video type inner discussion points put out there. That way we can talk back and forth. The problem with an online course for me is I'm used to teaching in a classroom and we can have these discussions very fluently there. So we're a little bit learning as we go along, I should say, on my part. Um, if anybody's taking a UC course now, they're moving into Canvas, and Canvas is a good program, and I'm very, very new to it, so I'm going to be learning as I go. But one of the things that came about in a video was how to align a course correctly and a new way of thinking. I'm looking for critical thinking. And when I look for critical thinking, I look for that in your notes, not so much answering the questions at the end of the chapter. But the biggest thing is critical thinking is what's going to make all this work. You have ideas, you have thoughts. I need to understand what those are so I can answer your questions. So when you respond to me, think more critically about the things that you have questions about and how you would like for me to respond to you. And I'm going to continue this dialogue throughout the course. And I'll put this out every week to you in the weekly address. And the whole purpose is that your critical thinking helps me understand what you need, what's changing in your world as far as fire protection systems and fire building construction. And by looking at both of those together, we can see if a building's been designed in a different manner than we've ever expected. You got to remember today we're in fly construction. Let's get it up as fast as we can so we can lease it back out. So just keep that in mind as you're going through chapter one. Brannigan's book's got a lot of stuff in it, but the biggest thing is when you get into chapter two, all the definitions are there. And as we go on, it gets a little more and more intense on what's going on, what the codes do, and things like that. The textbook isn't going to teach you everything. It's you and me interacting together is how we're going to learn. And that interactive learning is probably more important than anything else. Thank you.